Hello friends, today we will install a Titan Net Processor recovery. Here this SSD drive in this Titan Net processor is crashed, so we are replacing with new one. First of all, install new drive. After installing drive, here is a recovery disk for this Titan Net processor. This is the USB drive. This is the recovery drive. Inserting recovery disk. Now press power button. Welcome to Titan Net Processor. Click next. Titan Net Processor, please read the end of the license agreement. Agree. Use standard recovery. Enter the code. For this you can see the code is 68340. Press install. Now it's installing its software and drivers. I will forward this video. Installation is almost there. Titan Net Processor, please remove USB disk, then press restart. Follow these instructions, otherwise your recovery disk will be formatted. Removing recovery disk. Now restart. This recovery disk has burned OS and its burned drivers in it, and it's installing device and its necessary drivers for Titan Net Processor. Now it's installing its drivers. Setup will continue after restart your computer. Our new hard drive installed and OS is installed using recovery disk. Starting Titan Net Processor. Here you go. Our Titan Net Processor installed with recovery disk. Thanks for watching.